He was in the pet shop when he noticed something odd. There was a little egg on the floor of the parrot. He only saw a male parrot. The owner told him she had just sold the female. Luckily, she was happy to give the egg to him. The man thought he will bring it to life. They are one of the smallest species of parrot. After 2 days of incubating, he was hoping to see life. Yes, a heartbeat. From that moment he grew fast. If you love to see videos like this, then press that subscribe button. Just like the big eggs, he needed to turn 3 times a day. And on the 19th day, so small and so fragile. But this was just a start. He needed food since a parrot is new to him. He studied everything about how to feed it. Now, he needed to repeat this 8 times a day. He learned to fly. But what about his dad that he had left behind in the shop? Was he still there? Yes, you are right. In my mind, they do.